Good evening, everyone. After enjoying about 90 pips move from this area, I was stopped out at my stop loss around this area, so I closed with about 80 pips on this EURJPY, and I saw price come back down into testing the 143.080 area in a couple of hours ago. And since then, I've been seeing a scenario that looks more like a reversal pattern that's going to push price to the upside. So in addition to the setup, I have identified a bullish trend line that will guide my actions going forward. And this is what you can see here. As we can see, since on the 24th of June, price has continued to respect this bullish trend line, as we can see how price has continued to find higher highs and higher lows at this point. And now we have a higher low, which also shares a confluence with that bullish trend line. And I am of the opinion that price will continue to the upside from this point in time. My key level at 142.900 still hold at this point. And one thing I'm doing at this point right now is this. I set a pending order right here, a buy pending order right at 143.529, where I'm looking out for a bullish continuation from this side. And if at any point in time we have a breakout of this area and price comes back to retest this bullish trend line, I'm going to add more position at the site of a reversal pattern that supports a trend continuation to the upside. In addition to this information I have given here, it is pertinent to note here that when price is on a trend line, whatsoever trend line it could be a bullish or bearish trend line, it's always a very sensitive area, as there is a possibility that price could break down the trend line and retest the structure to push price further down. So in this area, we really need to be very cautious, as anything below that trend line could probably negate that setup. Though we have a key level sitting at 142.900, which still gives me the confirmation and the comfort that a bullish momentum is still very possible at this point. So where will our take profit target be from this point in time? I have set my take profit target at 144.700, and the reason is because if you look left, there is an impulse leg here, and after looking at that impulse leg, I project that impulse leg into the future, and to be more precise, I use my Fibonacci extension tool and run it through that impulse leg, and we have a aim at a 127.2% of the previous impulse leg, which falls at around 144.700 area. So this is my scenario here on the EURJPY. So I would like to pause the video at this point, and if there is any updates or whatever situation that comes up that demands a quick update, I will do as expected. You can join me on my TradingView platform so that you do not miss out on the regular updates I normally share in the comment section of every signal I publish. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day.